Hello guys, welcome to this short video for the Nvidia Background Removal. I make it short. It's for Windows 11 and higher, or Windows 10 if you have problems in it and use the latest version. I guess it's 0.7.6 from the Video Effects SDK. I found a Reddit post where it's directed to another site from the Nvidia forum or something, and there was a link for the Video Effects SDK 0.7.2. That's the only one who works fine, I guess. You see it's work, obviously. Every link what you need is down in the description. And from the 0.7.2 also it's a direct link. You can click on the link and download it. Bit from Nvidia. It's a safe link. I use it too. Then I show you my OBS, okay? Don't worry, it's German because I come from Germany, and I try to make it in English for many people that have the same problem. So I show you my OBS, okay? You see it? I have here my scenes and my sources. In some cases, I have a camera only for the camera scene, but it doesn't work in this scene. I don't know why. Maybe there's something hocus pocus in it. I don't fucking know. But I have my talk scene here, and in my sources, I have my camera. So if I right click on it, also right click, filters, and then you are here. Normally it looks like this, okay? I have in the camera scene down here a background blur effect filter. Also the link is in the description if you want only a blurry background. And then you go on this plus icon here down below, and you should see in the portable and in the normal version of OBS this three Nvidia filters. This filter here, background removal in English, or if you use German, Hintergrundentfernung. You click on it. Okay, I have it in the scene. Then you can activate it. So normally it has this presets. The highest, so the best quality, higher GPU usage. For me, it's 11% or something for 47 Ti Super. And this value is on 1. You can put it down and you see the background comes back. This is for me the best. So if you have it, then I can remove this here. And voila, you have no background. You saved a lot of money. Yeah, but I hope you have a great day or weekend. And I hope this video helps a little bit. Thank you very much for watching this video, and maybe we see us next time. Bye bye.